It's a certified 2024 Honda Accord sedan. Year after year, the Accord is showered with awards and praise. Take a look, and it's easy to see why. Drive it, and you'll know why. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual-zone climate control, steering assist cruise control, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated bucket seats, continuously variable automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today. Call us today at 561-508-9936.